Okay, here we're going to build this little square window. That's what I'm calling this piece. So I've already got it saved. I've made sure I'm in inches. And I have my dimension drawings that we did in our engineer's notebook in the previous lesson. And we're going to do this with additive and subtractive modeling. So let's start by putting a sketch on the XY plane. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle with a corner at the origin that's 1.125 inches by 1.125 inches. I can hit E to extrude, and let's extrude that a distance of 0.75 inches. Okay, here's where the additive modeling comes in. I have this little ledge. I need to build on that. So now I'm going to create a sketch, and this time instead of an origin plane, you got to be careful. I want to make sure I get the front face of the object. So I'm going to make sure I grab the front face. Let's draw a little rectangle centered at the origin. I want to make sure I get the blue X that says it's on the line. Hit tab, and that needs to be 1/4 inch in height. Okay, E to extrude. And we're going to up. And as I look at that, I ended up with a blue line. So that means that number didn't end up on the edge. It looked like it was right, but it didn't go there. So I'm going to go ahead and make that line collinear with the side of the object. So we want to make sure when we're building things that something is fully constrained. So now there's my 1/4 inch, and all my lines in my sketch are black. Let's go ahead and extrude that shape. And that will get extruded. Let's see, what is that measurement there? 3/8 of an inch. So there's the little ledge. And next, we need to cut a square hole, or a rectangular hole. So I'm going to create a sketch on that original face again. This is subtractive modeling. We'll go ahead and just eyeball a rectangle. We know that rectangle is 0.375 in its width, and the height is 1/2 inch. Okay, you'll notice it's not fully constrained yet. That's because I have to put a position for the rectangle, and the distance from the side is 3/8 of an inch, or 0.375. So we'll finish sketch and extrude. And when I extrude this now, I want to select to cut, and let's do distance all, and then I may need to flip the direction. So that way it'll cut the square hole for the window all the way through. Make sure I save the file. Again, if it's not saved, you're going to lose your work, and you're going to need this part later. So that's the square window.